Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add text to your photos in Picsart. Okay, so to do that, come and open your Picsart application. So when you open your Picsart application, this is how it will look like at the home page. So just tap on the plus icon over here. So when you tap on the plus icon, you can now come and select the photo that you want to edit. Okay, so I'll look for the photo that I want to add my text onto. So I'll select this photo over here. So after selecting the photo, come and tap on text. So just scroll this side till you see text. So when you see text, I'll choose a text. Let me say I'll put hello. Okay, so after tapping on that, I just tap on that tick. Okay, so this is our text. So basically choose a color for this text. I'll put purple. Okay, so after doing all that, I can adjust my text like that. So when I'm done, I can basically save this by tapping on the tick. So that's how to add text in your Picsart. When you're done doing all that, you can come and tap on this download button over here, then you download. Okay, so thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.